Yeah, welcome everyone. Good day, everyone. Welcome to Legit Crypto and Forex. And just a quick one. This video, I don't intend to waste your time. I just want to show you how you can actually convert your green to ECO. How you can convert it and how you can withdraw. Remember, the conversion is once in a month. The conversion is once in a month. Now, see the app here. Now, many people don't know about this, and I want to show us something again. Many people have been missing this thing. They have been missing something here, which I intend to actually show us also. So don't skip any part of this video. Don't skip any part of this video. Watch it to the end. Now, the first thing I want to show us is the level. The level. You see, this your mining power here. This your mining power can actually be increased. If you don't know, this your mining power has the ability to be increased. Now, this your my mining power is 125. Now, I was not aware of this, and I've been mining this for a long time. I just got to know of this, and I said, let me do a video to tell my people also. Maybe them too, they don't know about it. Now, look at this mining power. We discovered that it's giving 125 per day. Apart from my posting, apart from the comment, apart from the likes. Now, not yet convert. This is my coin that has not been converted. This is the one that will be converted very soon, which I will show us how to do it. Now, you click on levels. Now, once you have up to 1,000 of this coin, of the green coin, you can what? You can claim your reward here. You see reward claim. You can claim your reward. And then the normal mining was 50 here. And then they will give you 300, and then you get 50 mining hour. That's number one. But when you claim it, it will increase to 120. Sorry, that's the one I'm actually mining now. 120, I think 125. Yes, 125. Now, the level. Now, this is the second one, which will be giving me this mining power 200 per day, and then this is the reward I will get. This is the total. If I get 4,000, which very soon I'll be getting to it, and then etc. Now, guys, don't forget to be claiming this reward. Claim it. Once you reach, you claim it, please. But if you don't claim it, your mining reward will not increase. You see, many people are having many big mining mining rate, not because they mine or they have referrals more than you. It's because they have been claiming this. Now, look at my referrals. No, I have 35 direct referral, and my mining speed is 45 for that direct. Now, I'm aware, I'm sure that they did not know of this. That is why this mining rate is still like this. But with this video now, they are going to move further. Now, that is one part that I want to show us quickly. Now, that's one part I want to show us now. Now, click wallet. See wallet here? Click on wallet, please. Now, under wallet, you see you can send. Now, you can send to someone. The one I have now, the balance I have is what? 5. I can send it to someone. And then I can also receive using my email, my registered email. I can receive. Now, if you look at here, we have look at here, you see that we have the 50, we have the available, and we have the locked. This is my total here, but in the total I have available, I have the locked, so I can only transfer 5, which means I can only sell 5. I cannot sell 45. Now this is the green that I've mined for this month, for last month, so I can now convert it. Now the distribution is from June towards September 8th. The mining cycle that gave me this one now is between this time. Now before I move further, if you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, quickly subscribe right now. Take this little time and subscribe to this channel, because you always get updated information about crypto and forex. So click right now, yes, right now, subscribe right now, and then turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this, so that you will not skip or miss any of my video. Now look at it. Also, don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. Share the video, let them know that there's a place they can get trained on crypto, they can get news on crypto, updated legit crypto mining app, airdrops and the rest for free. Now look at here, look at the rate. One of green will give you 0.02 of ACOX. You see it now, that is it. And time for you to convert it is 3 days 6 hours. This is the time for you to convert it, between 3 days and 6 hours. So if you don't convert it by now, you wait until another month. Now this is what I have to convert, and then so I want to now convert and show us now. Now this is my green. My total balance is 1131 green, which I will be able to convert. Now you can choose 70%, 75%, 50%, 25%. Now I want to convert 100% of it, 100%. So I will click convert. Now conversion is once, so in a month, so I'll be able to convert 1131 green to 23 what ECX. Now look at it, I'll be able to convert it. So look at the changes now. See it. This is it. So the locked is 66. Now I have available of 7. Now why they are locking is so that the price will not crash. The price will not crash. They have reason for that. So that is just how to go about it. That's just how to go about it. Look at it. That's just how to go about it. Now thank you so much. If you have watched this video to the end, don't forget again to subscribe. See you in the next video, and have a great mining experience. Don't forget to do your level up. Don't forget to level up. Wow, this is very slow. It's very slow. I wanted showing us something. I'm coming. Just want to share something. The network is bad. Now many people are converting now, so yes, that's good. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot where I actually wanted doing this. Sorry. Okay. Let me just hold on here, since I did not. I forgot where I was supposed to show you this. I forgot. Okay, don't worry. See you in the next video. Once I remember, if I remember it, I will definitely come back to share with us. Thanks so much.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.